Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us at the Jamaicans Love Food Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make some curried oxtail. Yes, that's right, curried oxtails, Jamaican style. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. We would really appreciate it. Alright guys, now to do this, we're going to need some freshly washed oxtails. Alright, so to wash your oxtails, all you need is some vinegar and water, and just rinse it thoroughly to make sure all the vinegar is off of there, because you don't want that vinegar flavor in your food. And also we're going to need some powdered seasonings. Now I like to use adobo. Now this is available in like almost every supermarket you go to. Some nice Goya adobo seasonings, perfect for this dish. You're going to need some garlic powder. Alright, some black pepper. Personally, I like to get the one that you ground yourself, because honestly just gives it a better flavor. You're going to need some curry powder, Jamaican style. Personally, I like to get this one. You could use any curry powder of your choice, but you're going to need some curry powder to make this dish. We're also going to need some pimento seeds. Some people may call it allspice, pimento seeds, same thing. Alright, I personally like to use this brand. Now, what you're going to do, because it comes in seed form, you're basically going to take a few of these, ground them up, make sure it's powder form, because it's not pleasant when you eating your food and enjoying it and bite into one of these. Alright, so this is bomb in almost every dish you do. Alright, just gives it a kick, honestly, so you're going to need this as well. Alright, and for your fresh seasonings, you're going to need some scallion. Alright, some people call it green onion, scallion, green onion, whichever one you know it as. You're going to need some hot pepper, habanero pepper, alright, or you could use Scotch bonnet if you have it. Alright, some garlic. You're also going to need onions and bell pepper. Alright, any color bell pepper you like, you can use that. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and season our meat. Alright, so first we're going to grab the adobo. Just sprinkle a little bit over it. Don't put too much. Alright, because you don't want it to be too salty. Alright, so about that's good. Alright, then we're going to use our garlic powder. Just a little sprinkle. Alright, about that much. Alright, then we're going to grab the black pepper. Just put some of that in there. Now if you have the powder one, just sprinkle some. You just got to eyeball this, honestly, to make it season and taste nice. Alright. And these other two, we're going to do that later. Alright, go ahead and get your hand in there and mix up everything. Alright, you just want the seasoning through and through mixed in. Alright, make sure all the pieces of oxtails is covered. Alright, now that that's mixed in, we're going to go ahead and move to the stove. I'll see you there, okay? Alright guys, now we're ready to start cooking the oxtails. So you're just going to add a little bit of oil in the pot. Just a little bit, because you don't want to make it too oily. Alright, you just need enough to sear off the oxtails. Alright, so we're going to let that heat up. Notch up the flame to high. Alright guys, now that the oil is hot, we're going to go ahead and sear off the oxtail. So we're just going to add it piece by piece in the pot. Alright. Go ahead and add your oxtails. I like to sear them off. Give it a nice little sear. Alright, so we're just going to add all of them in there. Just to fill up the base of the pot. Once it's filled, you're just going to let that sear for like a couple minutes on each side. Alright. See how that's just searing up. And you don't want too much oil for this, because you're not frying it. And then you could start turning them. But you don't want it to really cook too much. You just kind of get the fat to like kind of render off. Alright, so you just turn them. Use your tongs for this. Flip them over. Alright guys. Perfect. Love how that's looking. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish searing these off, and I'll be back to show you how I curry down my oxtails, alright? Alright guys, now that we seared off the oxtails on medium heat, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil in the pot. I did clean my pot out, just so it doesn't have that burnt flavor with the curry. All right, and then I'm gonna grab my curry powder here. I'm gonna add some to the pot. All right, just a little bit of curry. Actually, a lot of curry. You don't want to put some curry in here to get the flavor. All right. Then we're gonna go ahead and stir this in. All right, guys, so we're just going to turn this curry into a paste. See how nice and bright that looks? All right, guys, so now we're going to add some beef stock. I forgot to tell you about this earlier. All right, but I like to use beef stock instead of water to kind of cut down my meat, so you get that nice flavor, that nice rich flavor that you're looking for, all right? So to this, we're going to go ahead and add some just to cover the base of the pot. All right, go ahead and pour in your beef stock. Don't be shy. Pour in your beef stock. And make sure all the pot is covered. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and grab our seasonings. All right, so about 3 stalks of scallion. Go ahead and add those in. Our onion, nicely chopped. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your green bell pepper. And of course your garlic. So once all of that is in, we're gonna go ahead and cover this down. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like once it's been stewing down, all right? All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the cover. All right, take all of that view in. Oh my gosh, guys, it's gonna be so good. The beef stock is on the bottom. Everything's gonna just come together so nicely. All right, all the seasoning's gonna melt in the pot. It's gonna taste good, all right? Be right back. All right, guys, it's been 10 minutes, so let's open up our pot and see what's going on here. Oh my gosh, guys. Check this out. Stewing down so good. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add some water to this. All right, just so it doesn't stick, because oxtails take a while to cook. We still have a little way to go. All right, so we're gonna stir that up. All right, guys, I'm gonna say about another 45 minutes. Once it starts falling off the bone, you know it's ready. All right, guys. And to that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some grounded up pimento seeds. All right. All right, guys, add a little pimento seed to that, not too much. All right, and just keep adding water, keep tipping water when you need to, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and add our habanero pepper in there. We like it spicy, so if it pops, that's fine. But if you can't handle too much spice, that's not necessary for you. All right, guys, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, yeah. This looks so good. Oh, my gosh. See how it simmered down and now it's like stewy? See that consistency of the gravy? See that? Can you guys see what's going on in here? I don't know if you guys are seeing what's going on in here. The pepper done disappeared, so, you know, oh, here it is. It's gonna pop, it's fine. Look at that. Alright, so let's test it out. We're gonna grab a fork. Alright. So you just want it to be going through the meat. See how it's falling off the bone now? That's what you want. That's exactly what you want. It's falling off the bone, stewing down nicely. All right, we just need to add one more batch of water and then we're ready. All right, so I got my water here. Again, just add just enough to cover the oxtails. Not all the way this time because we're almost there. All right. And again, we're gonna cover this and come back in 10 minutes. All right, guys? And in the meantime, put on some rice so you can have it steaming up. If you guys want to learn how to steam rice, let me know, comment down below, and I'll go ahead and make a video separate for that, okay? Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what we're working with. Yep, this is exactly what you want to be going on. See how it's stewing down nicely? See that gravy getting thicker and thicker? Alright, so what we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and add some potatoes. Alright, so all you need is about 2 red potatoes. I like to use red potatoes because it's less starchy. And you just go ahead and cut those up, bite-sized pieces. Throw them in. This is towards the end, guys, because you don't want the potatoes to be too cooked. Alright, you're going to stir those in. Alright, the heat is on medium because you don't want it too high. Right now you're trying to create a stewy consistency. Alright guys, so after you add the potatoes, you're going to go ahead and add in some dry thyme. Or fresh thyme, that's fine. But today I had some dry thyme, so you just take it off the stem because it comes off easier. Alright, stir that in. And I'm not sure how many of y'all know about this thyme, but I have this growing straight from my backyard. So if you have some of this, you can go ahead and add it in too. Alright, put that in. Give it another 10 minutes on medium heat. And then when you come back, it's going to be perfection. Alright, make sure you have your rice steaming up. We have ours here. Alright, so dinner is almost ready. I'm going to come back and plate up some for you guys, alright? Alright guys, so we're back. I did went ahead and plated up some for you guys. Alright, so on the plate I have some nice steamed white rice. I did steam some kale. Alright, just a little butter and garlic in there. Alright, and then I got the oxtails on the plate, of course. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Your family's sure to love this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Alright. We'll see you next time on our channel. Jamaicans love food, alright? Bye, guys.